been a wonderful week for all of us.
That's right.
A pleasure to work with you, Coach Rocky.
It is a pleasure working with you, Coach. And of course, I'm pretty sure Dabaweños are entertained and that they enjoyed this basketball tournament sa Davao. Of course, kudos to the 4 PBA teams. Congratulations to NLEX Road Warriors. Ibang klase. So shout out sa lahat ng mga fans natin, no? All over the Philippines and around the world.
Okay. And of course, Dabaweños, ladies and gentlemen, this will not be possible without the help of our PBA officials, the Philippine Basketball Association referees. We have Sir Jeffrey Dantay, Sir Charlie Amparado, Sir Jason Divinoso, Sir Mike Rodilisa, Sir Albert Nogla, Sir Chances Francis Mira, and their technical head, Sir Romel Drota. Palakpakan po natin ang mga referees ng Philippine Basketball Association. Thank you so much sa inyo mga sir. Well, for the time, we now call the attention of the following individuals to hand over the awards. First, we have our tournament director, Mr. Miggy Hita, our tournament commissioner, Mr. Miggy Solidaria, the owner of the Royal Day Hong Kong, Mr. Janice Cantor, and our congressman of the 2nd District of Davao City, Congressman Omar Duterte, to please proceed here at the center court to award. Okay, here we go. Our runner-up. And of course, just want to say thank you to the both teams for gracing the invitation of Davao City to be part of the Leon 2025 Invitational Basketball Tournament. Let's give it up for the Blackwater Bosses. So we got Jeff Mendoza, Richard Scotto, Toy Manilin, Clifford Hopia, Paul Zamar, PJ Andrade, Bradford Quinto, David Morrell, Darian Paina, Wendell Comboy, Cedric Fairfield, Abu Trotter, and RK Ilagan. With your coaching staff, their head coach, Coach Jeffrey Carriazo. Assistant coaches, Joe Silva, Aris Dibauna, Patrick Aquino, Georgie Ablan Jr., and Mike Cortez. Dabaweños, palakpakan mo natin ang runner-up, Blackwater Bosses!
No?
Thank you so much, the Blackwater Bosses, and we would like to ask you guys to please just stay at your respective benches. Stay muna kayo sa bench kasi in a while, we'll have a photo together with our champion with Carawan 2025 Invitational Basketball Tournament, the NLEX Road Warriors! We have Richie Roger, Mike Miranda, Eno Valdez, Kevin Alas, Robert Poling, Don Fajardo, J.B. Mocon, Rob Herndon, Pat Nieto, Marcel Ramer, Brandon Ramirez, Del Policarpio, J.B. Bayo, Dave Marcelo, Tony Semerad, and Cyrus Torres. Their head coach, John Chico. Their board of governor, Mr. Ronald Delante. Assistant coaches, Adonis Sierra, Evan Woodford, Fellow Liv, J.B. Season, and Antonis Marin, and Asin Taulama. With your team manager, Mr. Berhil Villavicencio. Dabaweños, your champion of the Leon 2025 Invitational Basketball Tournament, the NLEX Road Warriors! Just stay there, champion of the Day 1 2025. Just stay there where you are. And our finals MVP with 16 points, 12 rebounds, 2 assists, and 1 steal, Tony Samara! Okay, sa dalawang teams, we will be having a big photo. We would like to ask the Blackwater Bossings, dito po kayo sa kabila. Blackwater Bossings, and then let's Road Warriors, come on, a picture together with Congressman Omar Duterte, together with Sir Francis Cador, Sir Biggie Hihita and Biggie Solidaria, Sir Glenn Cador, of Royal Bagay Hotel. Come on, join po lahat ng teams and our officials, our referees. We'd like to call our PBA referees to join. Salamat po with your help. PBA referees, tinatawag mo namin. PBA referees, join. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Davao Indios, thank you so much. Happy Kalagawan, everyone!
Lutog mga kabayan! Mga kabayan, lutog na!
And as we end and culminate our Kanayawan sa Davao 2025 Invitational Basketball Tournament, no? As the champions declared, the NLEX Road Warriors had a good run in the Invitational Basketball Tournament. Once again, congratulations also to the Blackwater